Elitech HVAC people got a no cooling call. No cooling call. See if we can get a little footage here. Like the homeowner waiting on us in the driveway. Or the renters. I think they're renters. We're gonna see if we can get some footage. Bucket today, folks. Yeah. That. We'll go with the DMG-4B. Now we're just gonna go with a flashlight. If I need my gauges, I'll come back. All right.
It's such a shame because Giovanni is so fucking talented.
Oh, I mean, he spreads it.
All right now.
How you doing?
All right, all right.
All right, I got the AC man here. I'll talk to you later.
All right, man.
Okay, bye. Yes, sir. How you
All right, great. How you doing today?
All right.
All
Where
right.
you want to start?
I want to start in the air handler. What's going on with it? Can you give me a look?
It freezes over.
It just freezing up? How long have you been doing
they
that?
had somebody check it, and it's low on Freon, but instead of just, what they want to do is instead of just filling it up again, they want to see if they can try and find the leak. And they talked about putting a dye in it and then coming at night with a black light or whatever.
Who talked about that?
The first company that came out, and then I talked to the owner.
Okay.
That's what they said that they were trying to find.
All right. I started in the air handler.
Okay.
And it's inside the house upstairs?
Yeah.
All right.
I think we got enough junk out of the way.
Okay.
Come on in. Josel, put the dog up.
Yeah.
He's a super vicious dog, so.
Oh, yeah? What kind is it?
Yeah, piece of shit chihuahua.
Oh, yeah, I'm the most vicious one. Them ankle biters.
Yeah.
Oh, you got 2 units?
No, it's just 1 unit.
Okay. Seems like it's cool up here. I know it's overcast.
Well, we got that. We have the window units.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think you told me you had backup.
I have the fan on all the time.
Yeah, that'll help.
So it sucks up air.
Yeah.
Overnight, it does pretty good sucking air up here. So we've left it on. It froze over bad.
Oh.
We got it off now.
Okay, and you change the filters and all that good stuff, I'm sure, right? Yeah. See, there's a lot of water in this pan. Yeah, y'all been running it. It's on now. Huh?
Is it AC on? Is it AC on?
Yeah. There's a lot of water in the pan. If it's freezing, really ain't no need of running it.
So ice?
Yeah. Ice either your drain line clogged up. Drain line right there, probably. I don't know though. Let me look at the thermostat, cause I don't. Yeah, just leave. Can you tell me to leave it?
Yeah, leave it on.
Yeah, let me take a look at it, cause.
What's it on?
Might just be the fan, right?
72.
72?
Well, I have it on. I have the fan on.
Fan, oh, okay. That's what you were saying. It's circulating all the time. What's this? All right. Yeah, the drain pan full of water.
Maybe that's why the thermostat links.
We got a flow switch?
Yeah, probably does. There's a thermostat in there.
Yeah, see, yeah. That flow switch probably opening up then. All right, let me hook up some gauges to it.
Could that be?
Huh?
That's it. That's awesome. That means there's no leak. I never thought of looking up there into the pan.
Yeah, go take a look. Oh, okay, well, you got this one separate.
That thermostat doesn't work at all.
It doesn't work at all?
They just had it to where it just reads the temperature.
Oh,
it doesn't control anything.
Okay.
I don't know why the old one that was on there, that one actually controlled. That one doesn't do crap.
This one don't do nothing.
Doesn't even do the fan on or nothing.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, sir, Mr. Rubin.
69.
Oh no, this gentleman's a gentleman that shoots straight. He doesn't like nice words. He says, just get it done and get it over with, because he's got a lot of appointments today. It's too nice.
Filter 72. I'll crank it down. 69. All right.
I understand they're waiting on the block.
How do I get to the outside unit? Can I go around front, or do can I go around front?
Sir?
Can I go around the gate, or do I need to go out here?
Either way.
Okay, I'm gonna go out this way then, so I can get my gauge.
Yes, sir.
Lowered that set point 72 up in there. It was set for cool, I think at 72, so I'm sure they got their unit running. Drain, secondary drain line is could, I mean, primary could be stopped up, or it could just be icing over. So Lennox, I'm not about to put no dye in there. I just do the electronic leak detector. Window unit, folks, window. So we got pressure up in here. They'll just let me know it's leaking at that evaporator coil up there. I want to see if it's freezing over myself. If it was leaking out here, we wouldn't have no refrigerant in there by now. There's high pressure out here. All right, let me pause. I need to take some pictures. Let me hook up the gauges first. Oh, there go a leak right there. I hear this one. It's a leak right there. As soon as I took this out. I heard something. As soon as I took that off, I'm gonna wash that right there. Give me some soap bubbles or something. At 194. All right, so I think Lennox 2021. I think they manufacturer year is the second number of the nomenclature. Let's check some pressure. Man, these pressures seem that R22. Definitely low. Real low. See if we're gonna go back up. We're at 62. All right, let me take a picture. All right, folks, so we're gonna go with, let's see here, electronic leak detector. I don't know if we're gonna go with the infrared or we're gonna go with the, let's see what we got here. All right, that's the infrared leak detector. We're gonna go with the eye. We're gonna go, it's the infrared by Elitech. This one here is a heated diode, the ILD 100H. Comes out in May. The ILD 100H. Gonna take both of them up. Like I said, I'm thinking that we got a leak. I know it did Schrader valve out there, but it did have a cap on it. I'm gonna do an electronic leak search real quick.
Does it show low on Freon?
Yeah, it does. But that filter right there, because it can be a lack of airflow. When last time you changed that filter? I'm gonna check it twice. About 2 weeks ago. Okay, I don't think that's the reason. All right, we got Goodman coil. Goodman. That's a 2020. Look at that big old gap. A lot of airflow right there. All right, let me take some pictures, folks. Be right back with you. Look at all that water, though. All right, so I'm gonna warm this one up. Got a 30-second warm up. My main thing is I don't see no oil residue in this pan right here. I don't think this coil is leaking. I don't think the coil is gonna be leaking, folks. There's no residue, no oil residue. And I know where it's leaking outside. All right. So we're gonna do a leak search anyway, real quick. I'm gonna fix that straight around. Get that box. Got that switch opening and closing right there. Yeah, I'm gonna button it back up. I don't see any signs of oil residue or anything. Ain't no change, no coil, just a change it. Need to do is I'm gonna go leak search outside and come back and vacuum that water up, charge it up. Yeah, I'm not getting anything up there. I'm gonna go out here and leak search it because I think I heard a leak out there at the Schrader valve when I hooked my gauges up. I appreciate you dropping in that bucket. Yeah, I think it's gonna be leaking out here though. Oh, I thought you were behind me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna confirm the leak and I'm gonna try to repair it. And then I'm gonna charge it up and then get all that water out the drain pan. As soon as I took these gauges off out here.
Drain line plugged up?
I'm thinking it's just coming from, I'm gonna check that also. I don't know for sure. But I'm thinking it's just coming from that thing icing up. But it's a lot of water though. That's a lot of water. There gotta be a lot of ice.
One time it was, we just have it on the fan. I just have it on the fan.
Yeah.
One time I know it froze up real bad.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely low somewhere, but I think I think it's leaking out here.
It hadn't been super hot to where the attic gets.
If y'all haven't been running, yeah, that's where it's leaking there, right there. Yeah, yeah. Cause as soon as I took them gauges off, I heard it. Watch this right here.
Right at the valve.
Yeah, right at that valve. Yeah.
Okay.
That's where it's leaking out here. And then it's high pressure out here too, so it's just squirting out of there.
Is this your company or you?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's where it's leaking at right there. Yeah.
I'll probably come out as a person that just goes down the middle, no fluff. We have issues, not issues. We have trouble getting AC people. I work HOAs. That's all I work. I don't work houses or nothing.
Okay.
And right now we're doing all the facilities, and to find the air conditioning company is just right now it's difficult. You know?
Yeah.
So if I can call you, and if you're available, if you can go service the units.
Okay, sure. I'll give you my card. You know, you can look me up on Google. I got a good reputation in the community. So, you know, we try to do the right thing. All right, folks. So we got obviously leaking out here. So what I'm gonna do is drain this Schrader valve out. Drain the Schrader valve, but I got my ladder over here. I'm gonna see if I can get that water drain pan unclogged. That secondary should be leaking, it's not. So I'm going to, got my ladder set up, so it should be leaking right there. So I'm gonna see if I can get some nitrogen. I'm gonna use my vacuum pump. I mean my vacuum machine first though. See if I can get it unclogged. All right, folks, so we got our vacuum pump here. I think I'm running low. We got two should do it. 5 hours, I think I got one charging up. Yeah. There we go. Hey, I don't say nothing. I thought I was charging this enough. Let's see. All right, sound good to me. Like I said, I want to see if I can at least get me a study screen. So while I fix that leak, that can be draining out. So we're gonna do it. I'm gonna stick that in there. Let's see what we got. There we go. Already seen that. Should be flowing now. I seen something get out of there though. More leaking out of there than that. I seen a 90 in there though, where they used to have the primary going that way too. I need to stick something in there and stop it up. Right here. The second though. See so much trash in there. So you see that cut? I was gonna put a cap on it. Can't put one right there. Playing with fire right here. Let's try this. Faster now. See, it's on that flow switch though. Ouch. hooked up. It looked like it hooked up. I'm just gonna let the rest of that flow out of there. See if I can fix that leak. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep this. Now I'm looking inside that condenser unit. Somebody done replaced this compressor and just did a horrible job at brazing this thing in. So it got me kind of worried, folks. So there's several ways I can do this right here. I can pump this unit down. Let me move this out the way, not mine. I can pump this unit down, close this valve, and take this stem out. Or I can just leave a little pressure on here. Let me see if I can get to it. I'm gonna see if I can just take it out like this. I ain't even bring no straight alive with me. I'm gonna see if I can take it out, folks. Yeah, man, it got me kind of suspicious. I'm like, man, it's how they did them wells. Could be leaking inside there also. Let's see if I can grab it though. Let's see what we got. Oh, I think we got it. Oh, there's my. Let's crack this. Man, I almost got a feeling that thing. It seemed like I could barely see it. It seemed like it was almost bent it now, son. Oh, we got it. All right, so I'm gonna run to the truck and get a nut on. Yeah, you can see it don't have no washer on here. All right, let me run and get a stem. All right, so that's the old one. Got me a new one. I'm gonna stick this one right here. All right, we're gonna tighten this. Just open it up. All right, see if we can get us a good screw. I like to hold mine right here with my index finger and screw it in with my other hand until I feel it get tight. Yep, that's it right there. Tighten it on up. Yeah. Here's one more. All right. So let's open this up. I'm gonna close it. I think I got it because it was just a little. I don't want to. Yeah, make sure you crack it. All right. Yep. So that's that. All right. So we can do another leak search on there with the ILD 100H. Just to make sure we got it. All right, folks, so 30-second warm-up speed, that's pretty quick. The ILD 100H by Elitech should be in stores in May 2024. If y'all interested, visit elitekus.com. Use my promo code WWHVAC10. Elitech is a sponsor of the channel. They do have great tools, great leak detectors, gauges, thermometers. All right, so we're gonna check this again. All right, so it should be good to go on that one. Got us a nice tight seal. All right, so that's good. And now I'm gonna keep this leak detector running because right before I was about to change that Schrader valve, I looked at that compressor because I seen some screws on this fence right here. And man, I wonder we got more leaks. Let's see if y'all can see this. Oh yeah, I seen those screws right there. Oh, man, what's going on? You can see, I ain't put them back in. Let's see if y'all can see this though. It'll make more work for myself, but man, I want to check around that compressor. Feel like we had an amateur doing some well. Man, what's up with my magnet? Some folks don't be worried about putting all the screws back in, do they? Well, I say, man, y'all gonna have to pay me, folks. You know what I'm saying? I do good work. I don't do sloppy work. Well, I say the competition out here. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna pay me. Same as you pay the competition. Cause they ain't on my level. Man, look at this. I say, look at this. Take this screw out, all the whole panel fall. I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I'm talking about. All the panel falling off of it. Come on, man. Look at that work. I'm finna make more problems. I'm gonna bend no fan blade or nothing like that. Look at these wells though. And then look at that down there. So look at that. Look at that. All right, let me go get this guy here, man. Shoot. Let me go tell him the bad news. We got more leaks. Somebody didn't know how to weld. That's what I was saying. I don't know who did this. But they try to replace compressor or something, or what?
Yeah, they put a new compressor in there.
And like I said, all that just leaking back out. Yeah, and I probably can fix that too, but like I say, I can smooth all this stuff out. And but yeah, I'm gonna write it up, see what they say.
Okay.
Let me see if I can put this back together.
Yes, sir.
All right. But I'm gonna leave it off right here. It's on you if you want to turn it back on, but if it get real hot.
Okay.
But it's just gonna freeze back up.
Thanks.
All right. All right, folks. All right, folks, I was putting this, like I said, this is a rental property, a rental company that I'm working for. They give me a good authorization budget, but this one is, it's gonna be a lot more than, this unit was less than a year old. And they'll even put a whole new unit back here with no problem, but anyway, I'm putting the panels back on, man, and all this fell out. You know, I ain't open up the electrical. So they only put like one screw in here. Yeah. Get what you pay for, folks. But all right, HVAC people, I'm gonna get ready to wrap this one here up. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. Well, stay tuned. If I get authorized to come back and do the repairs on this unit, I will, but other than that, as leak search, condenser unit leaking and in bad shape. Like I said, this unit less than a year old. Garbage work, man. So y'all property managers, y'all get some good certified technicians out here to work on these properties. You're gonna be throwing money down the drain, sending anybody out here to work on your units. Y'all contact Washington AC and Heating, Houston and surrounding areas. That's Houston, Texas. All right. All right, folks, I'm gonna get ready to wrap this one up. Yeah, they got a nice authorization limit, but hey, I'm out here to make money, not save you money. So we gotta get a work order in for this one right here, folks. Get some water somewhere. Oh, I'm about to see what they got going on right here. Yeah, we out here to make money, not save you no money. Got that drain line unclogged. All right, HVAC people. Hey, thanks for watching. Like I say, this is, I'm gonna have to get authorization for this unit right here. I mean, for this repair. So if I do get authorized, I might make a repair video. So everybody stay safe out there. Hey, this right here was a leak search. Did find the leak at the condenser. Unclogged the secondary drain line. Cause that evaporator coil, it's bone dry up in there, so I know it wasn't no leaks out there. And then found the leak at the Schrader valve. I was hoping that was it, but if I'd have charged that unit up, yeah, I was just looking at the sloppy work that was done, seeing that braze and all them beads and titties around that liquid in that suction coming from that compressor. That's a dead giveaway. So I pulled out the leak detector, the ILD 100, and it was leaking pretty good around there. If I'd have put my refrigerant in there, it would leak right back out, and I'd have got a call back. So I'm gonna submit my diagnosis to property management and see what they want to do. If I want to, I probably can remove all that refrigerant and fix that well around there. That might be all they need, but